Now let's look at the example when we want to tell whether or not the list is linear or it contains a cycle. It has a loop. Let's write a function to detect our loop. So if our list, when we traverse the pointer hits a null pointer, it means our function is linear. For this function we will need two pointers, fast and slow. First we will return true or false, whether or not our function contains a loop. Let's create two pointers. We will move both pointers is not equals null pointer, and fast next is not equals null pointer. We will move slow to the next node. We will move slow pointer here, and we will move fast pointer one node ahead. Fast next. If this pointers meets in the same spot, at the same place, it means this list contains the loop. Let's look at it. Now it contains the loop. If we move these pointers once again, so slow will be here and fast will be, it will skip one, it will go here, they meet. It means this list contains the loop. Let's write it down. It will be if statement. So if slow equals fast, return true. Our list contains the loop. Otherwise, return false.